Blue Obsession. Blue Obsession is the fifth studio album by American singer-songwriter Michael McDonald. The album was released on March 28, 2000 by Ramp Records. Track listing. Personnel. Production. Producers Tommy Sims. Tracks 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. Bernie Chiravel. Tracks 4 and 5. Michael McDonald. Tracks 4, 5, 9 and 11. David Pack. Track 11. Production coordination Gail Chiravel, Bridget Evans O'Lanerty and Susan Henson. Engineers Mark Castleman, Ben Fowler, Andy Jerome, John Lechner, Russ Martin, Chris Pelonis, Greg Rubin, Brady Walker, and Martin Woodley. Assistant engineers Joe Costa, Tim Coyle, Dave Dilbeck, Mark Frigo, Tony Green, Graham Louise, Sean McLean, Hank Nearider, and F. Reed Shippen. Mixing Greg Rubin. Tracks 1, 7, 8, 10 and 12. Rick Will. Tracks 2, 6 and 11. Chris Pelonis. Track 9. Hard disk editing on tracks 4 and 5. Cheyenne Guy. Editing on track 11. Joe Houge. Art direction Bruce Steinberg. Design Simon Design. Photography Gary Brush. Back cover Dennis Keeley. Front cover Bruce Steinberg. Inside and Tony Stone. Images. References